Hello, and welcome to this step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, we'll walk you through how to change your country in the Rumble app using your Android phone. This is useful if you've moved or want to update your account details for regional preferences. First, open the Rumble app on your Android phone. Next, tap on the account option located at the bottom. Then, click on the settings icon, which you'll find in the top right corner. After that, select Edit Profile. Now, scroll down until you see the Country section. Select the country you want to set for your account from the drop-down list. Then, tap Save to apply the change. Immediately after, Rumble will send a confirmation message to your email address. Inside the message, tap on Confirmation Account Details. When prompted, open the link in your browser. Finally, tap Confirm to complete the change, and that's how you update your country on the Rumble app for Android. If this helped, consider subscribing for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.